I'm gonna give you a tour on Disney Dream 8530. Here is where your light switch is. You need to put in a key card all the time in order for the lights to turn on. So there's the thermometer right by the door. You can change the temperature. I don't know why I always turn it down so cold. So every single day I come in, I need to turn up the heat too. Once you walk in the right hand side, there are two doors. This one is the toilet with a sink, lots of areas for storage. There's another one for storage over there. And the second room is the shower with like hanging racks for like your wet swimsuits. They provide body wash, shampoo, conditioner. There's also a sink here, lots of towels, areas for storage. On the left hand side, you have two closets. Once you open this up, you have life jackets on the top, places where you can hang your clothes, and places where you can put your shoes. It's the same thing over here. Life jackets, clothes, and then shoes. Here you have like more places for storage, lots of drawers. This is a connecting room, so that opens up to the next room. We bought these little magnet hooks. You can actually take this out. These are ours. And then when you hook it here, you can like hook your things, your clothes, anything you want. Here is the bed. On the side of the bed, you have like more storage here and there. At the bottom of the bed, you also have more storage. We put our suitcases there. This is the Disney Dream Veranda room, room number 8530. It is located at deck 8 forward on the starboard side. More like nice little paintings. And when you walk here, there's a sofa, desk, a TV. Up here you also have more storage. Over there you have more drawers. There's a mini fridge in here, a chair, desk. There are 3 more drawers in here. This is a veranda room. That means that you have a balcony. This is our private balcony. You don't share it with anybody. There's the safety lock. You need to turn this in order to open the door. It's heavy. Once you unlock it, you come out to your private balcony and then you see the ocean. It is quite heavy, and you have that safety lock all the way at the top so kids cannot open the door on their own. And what's really nice is that there's a curtain in between the sofa and the bed. This becomes a bunk bed at night. They come in every day during dinner to change this to a bunk bed, and every day in the morning to put the bunk bed away. So when this becomes a bunk bed, when you close the curtains, it's really nice for the kids when they're sleeping. We made our own stickers that we put on the door. A lot of people get them on Etsy, but it is really easy to make. I will link a tutorial on the things that I got and how I made them. We got a lot of compliments on our magnets on the door. And that's pretty much it for the veranda room on a Disney Dream.